In this series, you and me will study other YouTube channels, so if you wanna learn something new and grow up together, don't forget to subscribe. And now, let's go check the first channel. First channel is called World of Idiots. As you can see, this guy is making a lot of money. Here, 8 to 100, 8 to 105, 7 to 117, and see how many views he got. This guy is making around 2k, which is pretty good, and it's really low because he's making like one video a month, which is very low. And now let's take a look at what he's doing. World of Idiots. As you can see, he's basically just reposting the videos. This one have 4.1 million views, which is pretty good, and he made a lot of money from the video. Alright, that were the money he's making. Now I will show you how he's making the videos. It will be step-by-step tutorial, so don't forget to watch it till the end, because I will mention a lot of important points during the videos. By the way, these videos don't take a lot of time to edit, so it's a great idea to start it as well. Alright, let's take a closer look how this works. As you can see on the screen, there is a few YouTube channels that doing the same thing. It's a good business plan for you, because it don't take a lot of time to do. Here you can see how they make the money, through ads. Before you watch every single video on the YouTube, you have to watch the ads. And that's how they make the money. And that's how you can make the money as well. Now let's move to the practical stuff. In this part I show you how this guy is getting his content. It's really simple, don't worry. All you have to do is to find some car related content on Google. I found a good videos on the Reddit. Now when you find a good content, you just download it from the internet. But don't forget to give credits to the author. And I'm gonna download them through the Reddit video saver. The next step is to edit the clips. This is the only part that takes the longest to do. But don't worry, it gets easier after the practice. So for the editing I'm gonna use Premiere Pro, but you can choose whatever you want. All you have to do is to put the clips on the timeline and check if the videos are fine. You don't need to do some epic edits, simple the better. As you can see, it's really easy. Now let's move to the render part. By the way, if you don't understand some parts, just let me know down in the comments. I want to help you from bottom of my heart, so I'm gonna answer all of them. The next step, we got posting the video. This process is very easy, and I will try to keep this part short. Go to the YouTube studio, click on the create button, then just grab the video and move it to the YouTube. And that's it. Thumbnails need to be easy and clickbait. Here are some examples I found in the minutes. You can find good pictures at the Google Images. And that's it for this video. Did you like this series? Did you learn something new? Let me know down in the comments. If you like this type of video and you wanna see me analyze other YouTube channels as well and you wanna learn something new, let me know down in the comments. Bye!